My name is Corbin Deary from Corbin's Code. Due to the recent events regarding the coronavirus, many kids have transitioned into a homeschool environment where many have been unproductive and bored at home. In light of this, Corbin's Code has decided to host free introductory online classes from March through the end of April. Kids ages 8 through 13 can join the game development sessions where we learn the basics of programming by making games. Teenagers ages 14 and up can join our Introduction to Web Development where we'll learn practical programming skills by creating a website about yourself. I'd also like to thank the Rosemead Youth Leadership Center and Southern California Edison for their help in funding this project. Learn more about our Introduction to Coding workshops at corbinscode.org/codingworkshop. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in class soon.